Hi, my name is Paul Cepynsky, and I may have a little obsession with motorcycles. I primarily design components for the OEM automotive industry. Riding around, I would get this crazy helmet beard crimp, so started tinkering and problem solving. Now, the first thing that showed promise was a big spray bottle filled with water and a cheap comb from the drugstore. The only con is it wasn't exactly easy to stick in your pocket and is a little excessive. So with a bit of head scratching and well over a year's worth of R&D, came up with this sweet little guy. The Manetame Comb. Now this thing is designed to be your on-the-go mane-taming solution. Look at that curvature. It fits right in your pocket, right in your hand. It's even got a built-in spray bottle so you can mist out that water and get your beard tamed up. Now if you don't want to use the water, pop that out, pop in some beard oil. Nice snap. And it's got a little viewing window there. So now when I pull my helmet off and find that annoying beard crimp, I don't get too stressed out. I just pull my Manetame comb out, give the beard a good spray, then comb through, and back to normal. Right now, all the combs are 3D printed and hand sanded, and we really would like to get our tooling costs covered so we can go to injection molding. These are going to be made out of a cellulose acetate, which is a traditional beard-friendly material. I've worked with my injection molder in the automotive industry for over 10 years, and we're as ready to go as this beard is. We've also teamed up with those BeardsGuard barber nerds over at River Peak Apothecary for some really sweet rewards levels. Check them out.